No matter which type of task you have in hand, you'll have a tool from Worx right there for you. That's why we have made a list of Worx tools that will make your tough jobs easier. At first, we have the Worx Nitro Switchdriver 2.0. To avoid fumbling with bits between drilling and driving, this tool comes with a rotating dual chuck design that lets you swap between quarter-inch hex bits with a quick squeeze and spin, no more lost time. The brushless motor cranks out 442 inch-pounds of torque, running 50% longer and 25% stronger than brush motors. With a digital keypad for 9 torque settings and a 2-speed gearbox hitting 0 to 450 or 0 to 1,700 RPM. It's your go-to for drilling wood or driving screws. At 2 4/10 pounds, the comfy grip and LED light make furniture builds or repairs a total breeze. You were likely cutting plywood for a coffee table recently, needing something small but tough. That's where the Worx 20-volt circular saw comes in. This Nitro model rocks a 4.5-inch blade with a 3/8-inch arbor, spinning at 4,500 RPM for clean cuts up to 1 57/100 inches deep. Its brushless motor runs 50% longer and packs 25% more power, slicing through 2-inch stock like butter. The left-sided blade gives you a clear view of the cut line, and the 0 to 46-degree bevel adjustment nails angle cuts. Weighing 5 1/10 pounds with an ergonomic grip, plus a dust port for a tidy shop, this saw is perfect for tabletops or framing projects. Maybe you were helping a buddy renovate their kitchen, drilling through masonry for shelves. The WX381 Rotary hammer was a total game changer. This 20-volt cordless tool delivers 1 1/10 joules of impact energy, with a brushless motor hitting 1,050 RPM and 4,750 BPM. With 3 modes, drilling, hammer drilling, and chiseling, it tackles wood, steel, or concrete up to 1 inch thick. The anti-vibration system and ergonomic grip keep you comfy, while the LED light brightens dark spots. At 6 4/10 pounds with a 2.5 amp-hour battery, it's got a depth gauge and SDS Plus chuck for quick bit swaps. This hammer makes mounting brackets or heavy-duty tasks a snap. You might have been driving screws into a hardwood deck last summer, craving some serious power. The Worx Nitro 20V 3-speed impact driver stepped up big time. Its brushless motor pumps out 1,800 inch-pounds of torque, with 3 speed settings reaching up to 3,000 RPM and 3,900 BPM. The quarter-inch hex chuck makes bit changes quick, and the variable speed trigger gives you control for light or heavy jobs. At 3 1/10 pounds with micro-textured grip, it's easy on your hand, and the LED light keeps your workspace clear. Swapping with other Worx PowerShare batteries, this driver's a beast for pergolas or furniture assembly. Grinding rough edges on a wooden sculpture can be a grind, but you found the Worx 4.5 angle grinder to be a lifesaver. This Nitro tool spins a 4.5-inch disc at 10,000 RPM with a brushless motor that's 25% more powerful and 50% longer lasting. It cuts wood, metal, or tile up to 1 1/4 inches deep with a tool-free guard for safety. The slim 5.5 pound design and auxiliary handle give you control, and the spindle lock makes disc swaps easy. Compatible with PowerShare batteries, it's your go-to for shaping furniture parts or smoothing welds, adding power and portability to your shop. You were probably building a picture frame recently, needing spot-on miter cuts. The Worx PowerShare 7.25-inch sliding compound miter saw came through like a champ. Its brushless motor powers a 7 1/4-inch blade at 3,200 RPM, cutting up to 2 1/4 inches by 9 1/4 inches at 90 degrees. The sliding rail extends your reach, and the 0 to 45-degree bevel and miter angles handle tricky cuts. At 21 pounds with a carry handle, it's portable, and the LED light keeps your cut line clear. With a dust bag and PowerShare battery compatibility, this saw is ideal for crown molding or furniture frames, delivering clean, pro-grade results. Painting outdoor chairs used to mean messy brushes for you, but the Worx Nitro 20V paint sprayer made it a whole lot easier. Its X-Boost turbine tech gives you adjustable flow for smooth, even coats on wood or metal. The 1-quart canister covers up to 400 square feet per charge with a 2 amp-hour battery. At 2 9/10 pounds, it's light and easy to handle with 3 spray patterns, horizontal, vertical, or round for furniture or fences. The tool-free nozzle swap and quick clean system make upkeep simple. This sprayer is your ticket to pro-level staining or painting for decks or cabinets, minus the hassle. You were likely shaping a curved headboard, needing a jigsaw that could keep up. The Worx WX543 HighPerformance Jigsaw was your perfect match. Its brushless motor delivers 0 to 3,500 strokes per minute, cutting with up to 2 inches or steel up to 10 millimeters. The 4-position orbital action tweaks your cut for speed or precision, and the 0 to 45-degree bevel base adjusts easily. At 5 1/10 pounds with grip zone handle, it's comfy, and the tool-free T-shank blade clamp swaps blades fast. With an LED light and vacuum adapter, this jigsaw is great for intricate furniture or decor cuts, keeping every curve clean and smooth. While putting together a bookshelf, you wanted a quick way to secure trim without a compressor. The Worx 18-gauge nail and staple gun was a total win. This Nitro tool fires 18-gauge brad nails up to 19/32 inches and 1/4 inch to 9/16 inch crown staples at 80 shots per minute. Its air impact technology delivers up to 2,000 shots per charge with a 2 amp-hour battery. The tool-free depth adjustment ensures precise fastening, and a quick-load magazine with dual LED lights makes reloading a breeze. At 3 1/10 pounds, it's light and perfect for trim, molding, or crafts, giving your woodworking project a pro touch. After a long shop session, you were probably staring at a pile of sawdust and scraps. The Worx 20V wet/dry vacuum made cleanup a piece of cake. Its 2 1/10-gallon tank handles wet or dry messes, with a brushless motor delivering 65 CFM of suction. At 7 1/10 pounds with a carry handle, it's easy to move, and the 10-foot hose reaches tight corners. The PowerShare battery runs up to 20 minutes, and the quick empty tank makes disposal simple. With accessories like a crevice tool and wet/dry filter, this vacuum keeps your shop or home spotless, ready for your next woodworking adventure. So, that's our rundown of the best Worx tools that will make tough jobs easy. Got a favorite? Drop a comment, hit that subscribe button, and tap the notification bell to catch more tool reviews. See you on the next job.